Hello, civil engineers. Welcome back to the lecture. So, in this lecture, we will see how the wall putty estimation is done or the costing is done. So, this is called as wall putty. Once you do the plastering, we try to apply a wall putty so that you get a very even surface of a plastering. Once the even surface on the wall, and after that, when you do the painting, the paint consumption also will come down and it will have a smooth finish. So that is the reason we put wall putty. Okay, if there is any undulation in the plastering and all, with help of wall putty, we can make it a smooth surface, and then if you try to paint it, your paint consumption will go down, right? Good. So now how do you find, for example, let us consider I have one slab. Okay, I have one wall. I'll draw a wall here. Let us consider this is a wall what I have, and the area of this wall is, let us say, 20 square meter. Okay, the area of the wall is 20 square meter. So I want to find how much amount of wall putty will go into this. Okay, so the area is 20 square meter. So how do I find it? So, and also this thickness, you can see it's a very slight thickness. Okay, the wall putty thickness, what you can see, it is usually 2 to 3 mm. Here I've written 2 mm. You can even take 3 mm also, doesn't matter. Okay, fine, fine. So the total area is 20 square meter. The thickness is 2 mm. So the thickness, this is in mm. Okay, can I not find the volume of this? The volume will be very simple. 20 into 0.002. If I do, I'll get the volume of this. If you want, I'll do it here. 20 multiply by 2 is in uh, mm. Okay, I want to convert this in meter. So it will be 2 divided by 1000, or it will be 0.002. So it will come out to be 0.04 cubic meter of a wall putty is required. So this is volume. We need to understand that the density, the whatever, you can see this wall putty bag. Okay, so the density of the wall putty is 850 kg per cubic meter. That means if you bring one, if I have one cube of 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, if I fill wall putty into that, it will weigh around 850 kgs. That is 850 kg per cubic meter is the density of that. So we know the formula that density is equal to mass by volume. We know density is equal to mass by volume. I want mass or weight by volume. So I want to find the mass. So mass will be what? Mass will be density into volume. Okay, what is density? Density is 850. If I multiply 850, 850 is density, multiply by V, volume is 0.04. So you do this 0.04, you multiply this, do this manual calculation. I'll do it here. Okay, that is 0.004 multiply by 850. This is the density of your wall putty. Okay, so it will be 34. This is 34 kg. That means if I want to do wall putty for a 20 square meter of 2 mm thickness, I require 34 kg of wall putty. So one bag which is available in the market is 40 kg. If I bring one bag of wall putty, I can do 2 coat of wall putty on this particular wall. You're getting my point? So this is how the estimation is to be done for the wall putty. Okay. Along with that, just understand one more thing. 1 kg wall putty, 1 kg putty covers 20 to 25 square feet. That means if you're bringing 1 kg of putty, if you're bringing 1 kg of putty, it can cover 20 to 25 square feet of the wall. That too with 2 coat, not a single coat. 2 coat we usually put. If you do 2 coat, and if you bring 1 kg of wall putty, you can do 2 coat of 20 to 25 square feet. Okay, so these are certain constants what we try to use, and with the help of this we can do the costing and all. Okay, similarly, if I put one mason, and if I tell that mason, see, this is a wall what I have, see, this is a wall what I have, I want you to do the wall putty on this. So how much productivity he can do? So it has been observed that if you deploy one mason, he can cover 220 to 260 square feet of a wall putty of 2 coat he can do in a single day. So single day, usually we consider it to be 8 hours. Okay, single day will be always 8 hours. Single day is not like morning 9 to 9 o'clock. It will be 8 hours of a duty. If he does, he will cover 220 to 260, let us say 250 square feet he can cover in a single day, if you give him a wall to do the wall putty. You're getting my point? So these things you need to understand, because later when we try to find out the productivity, later when we do the estimation and all, these things are very important. Now I'll go back to my estimation sheet. So in the estimation, if you see, we have done wall putty. So all these are my wall putty quantity what I have found. Okay, you can see it here. This is my wall. Yeah, all these are my wall putty quantity what I have found. Yeah, so this is the volume what I have, which is 1.626 cubic meters. So volume I have, we just have to multiply this volume by that is 850. So you're going to get the total wall putty that is required in the extra wall putty completely. So if you want, I can do one calculation here. This answer, you just multiply this by 850. So you'll get 1382 kg of a wall putty is required. So this answer will be in kg. So you can say roughly 1383 1382 kg of wall putty is required. Okay. So in the same way, here also you have the volume. Try to do this calculation. Whatever answer you have got. Okay. My answer and your answer slightly may vary. Okay. But not an issue. You will get answers very close to this. Okay. So here 1382 kg of wall putty is required. Similarly, if I do it here also, it will happen. So what I've done, I've taken the total external wall putty here. I've taken total internal wall putty here and total ceiling putty also here. So what I'll do, just I'll come here. This answer I'll multiply by 850. So I'll get this one. Okay. Then this answer total multiply by 850. Okay. I think we're getting very huge. Okay. Wait. Total extra wall putty. Okay. Area I'm getting. No, wrong. Then this is wrong. I mean, wrong in the sense. I'll tell you. See, this is the area I got. So I want volume now. So I'll take it as 3 mm. 3 mm is 0.003. Okay. This is also 0.003. And this also 0. Because the thickness of wall putty is 3 mm. Okay. So it will be 3 mm. I should write it 3 mm. See here. Where is that? Wall putty. Thickness is 3 I've written. Yeah. 3. You can see everywhere 3 I've written. Okay. So 3 means it will take in the conversion, it will take 3 divided by 1000. It will take in mm. Okay. Great. So this is 3 I'm writing. I'll write it as 0.03. Okay. I'll increase the size, make it bold. And finally, I'll do this. What I can do is I'll just multiply it, everything. Total area, multiply by volume and multiply by 850. Whatever answer you get, no, that is in kg. So 1421 kg. Similarly, you can just drag it in this way. You'll get answer for everything. Okay. That's it. You can see. So let me do it in this way. Yeah. Finally, we have got the answer. And this thing I can round it off. Okay. This is in kg. Okay. This answer is in kg. This answer is in kg. So if I want to do a total external wall putty, I require 1421 kg of wall putty. Total internal wall putty, I require 2166 kg. Total ceiling putty will require 445 kg. So if I add everything, I'll get the total wall putty that is required for my entire building. Okay. So in this way, the estimation will be done. And now you can total I require 4000 kg. Okay. 4000 kg of wall putty is required. So if one bag available in the market is 40 kg, how many such 40 kg bag is required? So this total weight divided by 40 if I get, I'll get the number of bag. Or roughly I require 100 bags. Roughly I require, okay. Roughly I require 100 bags. So now you are going to procure, first you are going to procure 50 bags and then the remaining bags you can procure. Okay. So in this way, the costing will be done. I hope you are able to understand how all these things are, estimations are done. 100 bags is required. We'll give it a round figure, 100 bags. Okay. Now it will become 101. And now we'll also find the cost of this. We'll see how much cost is required. So in the market, the for 1 kg, the cost is like 70 rupees in the market. Okay. So again, depends which brand you are bringing and all. But now for our understanding, let us consider I am bringing it from Asian Paints. So 1 kg is 70 rupees. So I have for 1 kg, it is 70 rupees. Okay. So what we have done is we have got 101 bags, isn't it? And one bag is for one bag it is 40 kg bag. So if it is 40 kg, what will happen? I can divide it, no? For 1 kg, if it is 70 rupees, for 40 kg, how much it will be? I think this is how we are supposed to do. Else we'll do one thing. I'll do one thing. I have a direct value, that is this answer. I'll not divide by 40. I'll divide it by 25. I'll tell you the reason. I know 125 kg bag, 25 kg. Okay, 25 kg bag. So if you try to Google, you'll get the price of 1,200 rupees. This is a market value what I have. Okay, so 25 kg bag is you can take anything. Okay, 25 kg bag. Okay, will cost me 1,200 rupees. So the total kg is 4,033. I'm dividing it by how much? Dividing it by 25. That is one. So in this way, I'll get number of bags. So 161 bags I require of 25 kg. So the total cost will be how much? 161. I'll multiply by 1,200. So so this is the total cost that will go in procuring wall putty. That is 9 unit tens 100. Yeah, 19,000 unit tens 100,000. Let me check what is the answer I have got. Okay. Yeah. So 1,93,563 rupees will be gone if I want to do the wall putty for my entire building. Okay. So that is how the estimation has to be done. I've explained you everything. Okay. So whatever calculations you have done, you just find out the total area, or even you can take the total volume, and based on that you can do the calculation. Let me roughly verify few things. This one plus this value plus this value plus this value plus this value. So it should be 4.22. Okay. So it should be 4.22, which we can do it here also. Yeah, it's coming. I'm just trying to verify. Yeah, 4.74 I'm getting. It is 4.22 I'm getting. Okay, not an issue. I've explained you how it has to be done. Anyhow, when I try to prepare the BOQ, I'll explain you this in one second. I'll do the complete estimation for that. Complete thing I'll add. Now, just for our understanding, I'm explaining you all these things just to understand what is the practical application of that. Okay. So try to understand the calculation, whatever I've explained you for the this thing for the wall putty, and based on that try to see how much quantity of wall putty is required for your project. Okay, great. So this thickness is usually 3 mm. Okay, here I have taken 2 mm. Some people usually we keep it as 3 mm. According to that I'm going to get 51 kg. Okay, that's how it is. Great. So try to prepare an Excel sheet, and also remember this few of the productivity norms. Okay, so in the next lecture we'll try to cover the paint part, and we'll see it. So we'll see you back in the next lecture.